Hi students, how are you? I hope all are fine and doing good. Stay at home and be safe. Eat healthy food. Don't waste your food. Wash your hands frequently. Take a bath twice a day. Do not roam here and there. Today we are going to see grade 4 English subject grammar part. Okay. So comparison, we are going to compare the adjectives. How we are going to compare, that's what we are going to see in this class. In the story, the beetles have to be alert for their worst enemy, the woodpecker. As you have learned, worst here is an adjective. Worst shows the degrees how bad a thing or person is. Some adjective change forms while showing different degrees. Read the following sentences to understand how degrees of comparison work. He is a bad boy. It's a positive degree. Tells us the quality. Ram is worse than Shyam, comparative degree. The woodpecker was the worst enemy of the beetle. It's a superlative degree. First, we are comparing the things. It's here they are compared. Worst, bad, worst. Like that they compared. Okay. When we are comparing the qualities. Qualities means here the adjective we are telling. Okay. We are comparing the adjective. In this class, we are going to compare the adjectives. Adjective is a describing word. It describes about a noun and pronoun. This one already we learned in the previous class. We need some words to compare. That's what all the words to compare. That's what we are going to see in this class. There are three type of degrees. First one is positive degree, second one is comparative degree, third one is superlative degree. What are the degrees? First one is positive degree, second one is comparative degree, third one is superlative degree. Okay. First, look at the word bright. We add EREST for some words. For comparative, we add brighter, brightest. For superlative, we add EST. Add EST to the given words. Okay. Cold, colder, oldest. Small, smaller, smallest. Here, next word you look, happy. Happy, the word entered with I. So, when we are writing the comparative degree, remove that I and add IEST, IER, IEST. Okay. Happier, happiest. Next one is big. Big is a one syllable word, that also one syllable word with a short vowel letter. Short vowel letter, big. When like that word comes, we have to double the last letter. We have to double the last letter. Bigger, biggest. Bigger, biggest. Next one is fat. It is a short vowel letter A. So we add fatter. We have to double the last letter. That's what here fatter, 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 fattest. Okay, next there are some other words we use more or most, more and most. For comparative degree and superlative degree, we use more and most. We do not need to add EREST to the word. That means that that word has two syllable or more than two syllable. Here they have given famous. Famous is a two syllable word, but we could not write famouser. Like that we should not write. So instead of writing like that, we have to write more famous, most famous. Then modern, more modern, most modern. Next word just you see, beautiful. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. It is a three syllable word. Next, difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Next, for some other words, we use ER also, ER also, okay. Polite, politer, politest. The same word we can write polite, more polite, most polite, okay. There are some other irregular words are there. Some other irregular words are there. That's what we are going to see. Good, as well as well. That su letter, if it comes in positive degree, we have to write in comparative degree better, best. Then next word, bad or ill. If it is come in positive degree, we got to write worse, worst. Little, less, lesser, least. Many, more, most. Much, more, most. Old, older, oldest. The positive, comparative and superlative degree are known as degrees of comparison. These degrees are only known as degrees of comparison. In general, an adjective can be changed from positive degree into comparative degree by adding the suffix er, and to its superlative degree by adding the suffix est. That's what we have seen before. Okay, warm, warmer, warmest, nice, nicer, nicest, great, greater, greatest. Okay. Complete the sentences using the correct form of adjectives in the brackets. India has the second large they have given. You have to write largest. It is very colder. It is very cold in December. We should not write colder. We have to write cold in December. Next, Abhinav was the earliest to arrive. The it is coming, so we have to write est. Sneha is older than Vinny by 2 weeks. Dorothy thinks plums are tastier than grapes. When there is a than, you have to add, there is a comparative degree. For comparative degrees, the clue word is than. So, you got to write er to the word or more to the word. When that sentence, in that sentence, when it comes the, you got to write est to the word or most to the word. Okay. Cycling is considered to be one of the it is mentioned. So most healthiest exercise. Okay, most healthiest exercise or healthiest exercise. Simran is in that word, in that sentence, than has come, so you got to write it taller than. She seems to be smarter than us all. Smarter than us all. Okay, children, this is the class. In this class, we learn about the grammar comparison of adjective. It is given in the it is given after lesson 5. After lesson 5, it has given, okay, comparison of adjectives. How we have to compare the things. We compare, normally we compare, it is good. Like that we compare. When we compare two things, we add it is better. It is better. When we compare more than two things, it is best. We add best. There are 3 degrees: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Okay, that's what we have seen in this class. Watch the video and complete the exercise. Thank you, children.